Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Chapter 5 test, practice test, getting you ready for retakes. Our first problem is solving a simple multi-step equation. Now, in this problem, and the way that we're going to be working on these is Mr. McCoy is going to do this problem on the left. This is our actual test, whereas over here, this is something you are going to do. You can just write these problems down. You could print it off of Google Classroom, or you can get the physical handout from Mr. McCoy in class. So on a Chapter 5 test, I gave you these directions. Original, combine like terms, zero pair, side flip, and regroup. Now, these are the steps that it takes to solve these problems. Okay? Combine like terms. A combine like terms happens when you have terms, numbers, variables that are the same on each side. Now, here on the right-hand side, this is a combine like terms. Because they're both positive, I am going to combine them. On the right-hand side, I have 5x. Now, on the left-hand side, this is a zero pair because I notice this one is a positive 3 minus 2x. That's a zero pair. So that leaves me with 1x. So that is a zero pair and combine like terms. And I'm just writing what I have left. You can see in orange what I didn't or what I changed, and in black the other terms. So there's a zero pair combined like terms. My next step is a side flip. I am going to put the variables on one side and my numbers on the other. I notice strategy, it is better to side flip my 1 to be with the 5 because then I keep my variable positive. 5 is bigger, it's positive. Let's move the 1x to it. Side flip means that when you side to side flip, you move it to the other side and you flip. Notice the positive 1 became negative 1. That's going to give me 4x. I'm going to side flip this negative 34 over there. If it's a minus 34, a negative 34, it's going to flip to be a positive 34. That's going to give me 40. So 40 and 4x. My last step is a regroup. To regroup, your brain should be thinking division. How can I put these in 4 equal groups? Divide by 4, divide by 4. X is going to equal 10. Now, this is all the work that it takes to find my answer. Unfortunately, I'm not done yet because I need to go back and check my answer. 3 times 10. Here, let's do different colors. 3 times whatever x is plus 6 minus 2 times whatever x is going to equal 2 times whatever x is minus 34 times whatever x plus 3 times whatever x is. And I'm going to take my answer 10, 10, 10, 10. Now I know that's a lot of numbers. I rewrote this equation without the x's. And instead I put the numbers in its place. Now I multiply. 30, 20, 20, 30. And I do the math. Well, 36 minus 20 is 16. On this side, let's see. I notice that is negative 4. 20 minus 4 is 16. Yep, I got it right. So that's how you solve a multi-step equation and check your solution. That's me doing the work. What you need to do now is you need to go back through and solve that equation. If you need to see the steps one more time, rewind it and watch it again. Thanks, guys, for tuning in on how to solve problem number 1, multi-step equation.